Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Apple Pay in KSA. First, ensure your Apple device, like an iPhone or Apple Watch, is compatible. Then, open the Wallet app and tap the plus sign to add a new card. You can either scan your credit or debit card or enter the details manually. Finally, follow the steps to verify your card with your bank, which usually involves a quick call or text message. When you are ready to pay in a store, look for the contactless payment symbol at the checkout. Double-click the side button on your iPhone or Apple Watch to bring up your default card. Authenticate your purchase using Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. Then, simply hold your device near the payment terminal until you see a done notification on your screen. It's that simple and fast. Using Apple Pay for online and in-app purchases is incredibly convenient. When checking out, select Apple Pay as your preferred payment method. You will then be prompted to confirm your purchase using Face ID, Touch ID, or your device's passcode. This secure method eliminates the need to manually enter your card details, saving you time and ensuring your financial information remains private across many supported apps and websites. Apple Pay offers significant benefits, especially regarding security. Your actual card number is never stored on your device or shared with merchants during a transaction. Instead, a unique encrypted device account number is used, providing an extra layer of protection against fraud. This tokenization, combined with the convenience of quick, contactless payments, makes Apple Pay a secure and efficient way to manage your transactions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.